the shops at Seneca Meadows. This is a new shopping center that's being constructed in Germantown, Maryland. This is right across behind the Milestone Shopping Center. This is going to be a brand new shopping center that is going to be open early part 2014. And they are called the shops at Seneca Meadows. You're gonna have Wegmans, Spring, Cafe Rio, Mexican Grill. You're gonna have different type of shops that they will be filling up this shopping center very quickly. As you can see, this is a very convenient place for Germantown, Maryland residents. You can get from 270 immediately after the next right. You can come to this brand new shopping center that is going to be opening early part of 2014. Germantown, Maryland is growing. It's a great area to buy a house these days, and this is another example. Thank you.